Hi everyone, welcome back in my channel Medical Device Update, and I am Shazia. So after a long time I am going to publish this video, and today I would like to cover the basic and high level introduction of the MDSAP. So today I choose by agenda, that is what is the MDSAP, the first, second, which regulatory authority are the part of MDSAP or international partners that are participating in the MDSAP. The third, use and benefit of the MDSAP or objective of MDSAP. And the last one, clarification for the MDSAP, is the MDSAP is a product audit or the process audit. So first we can start with the introduction of the MDSAP. What is MDSAP? MDSAP is a medical device single audit program. MDSAP allow to conduct a single regulatory audit of a medical device manufacturer's quality management system. So be careful, that is a kind of QMS audit, not the product audit. And if you want to understand about the basic history about the MDSAP, so fundamental work has been created by the GSTF, and it has been taken up by IMDRF in 2011. Then they have decided to run the pilot program. So they launched the pilot run in January 2014 for the 3 years, and after that was replaced by the full program on January 1st 2017. So if you want to know about the which are the major country who is participating in the MDSAP, so that is the majorly 5 country who is actively participating in the MDSAP. The first is the TGA, that is for Australia. Second is ANVISA, that is for Brazil. Third is the Health Canada, that is for Canada. Fourth is MHLW, that is for Japan, and the last is the US FDA. So there are 5 international partners who are participating in the MDSAP, in which Canada is very active, as they announced that from January 1st 2019 MDSAP is mandatory in the Canada. So if you want to if you have a license for the Canada, then after 2019 MDSAP is mandatory. If you are planning to register your product in Canada, then also first you need to go for MDSAP audit and the certification. Now we can discuss about the objective and the benefit of MDSAP. So MDSAP is a single audit, so easily you can adjust your time, your resource, as well as your cost also. And the second thing, that is a routine audit or plan audit, so no surprises until and unless any major event happen. So I'd like to clarify that MDSAP is a no additional requirement for the manufacturer. So if you think for the MDSAP, you don't require to go for any major change. That is a no additional requirement from the MDSAP. That is just a QMS audit. So MDSAP, if you want to understand MDSAP is a process audit or product audit. So MDSAP is a process audit. Be careful that MDSAP is just a process audit, not a product audit. That means if you want to sell your product in USA, you need to follow product approval protocol like 510K, PMA, or other as per your product classification. MDSAP can minimize your audit frequency only, not your product can register in the US FDA with the MDSAP. So be careful for that.